introduces the Precision 2000, the ultimate hobby saw. Let's take a peek inside. The Precision 2000 is shipped to you partially assembled. Inside the box, you will find the saw body, cutting table, electrical cord, drain tube, two blades, a diamond blade on the saw and a toothed blade, miter gauge, adjusting wrenches, extra blade guides, and your operation manual. Let's assemble your saw. First, install your table. Remove the table mounting screws either by hand or using your wrench. Remove the table alignment screw. Line opening in the table with the blade. Slide the table forward and secure into place with the table mounting screws. Next, return the table alignment screw to the front of the table. The Precision 2000 has a large drainage opening at the base of the saw. Connect the tubing to the opening and secure in place with the clip. Make sure the switch is in the off position and plug the electrical cord into the side of the saw. You're almost ready to use your saw. Before you begin, check to ensure that the blade is lined up in the center of the blade guide. If not, refer to page 3 and 4 in your manual to make adjustments. When you're using the diamond blade, you will need to use water to keep the blade cool. Make sure the lever at the bottom of the reservoir is in the upward locked position. Remove the cap from the reservoir and fill with water. Let's cut. Position the upper blade guide arm a 1/4 inch above the surface material. To do so, loosen the knob at the back of the saw and raise or lower the arm into position. Tighten to hold in place. To begin cutting, turn on your water supply. Then turn on your saw. Push the material through the blade, following your path. The Deluxe comes with the standard Precision 2000, plus a water reservoir, rheostat control, and water pump. Let's assemble your Deluxe. Place the reservoir on a flat surface so that the raised areas within the reservoir are facing the back. Place the saw in the water reservoir, inserting the feet into the openings. To install the water pump, first, disconnect the tubing from the water bottle. Place the water pump suction cups down and press firmly. Connect the tubing to the water nozzle. Make sure the saw is in the off position. Plug the rheostat into the saw body. Then, plug the saw electrical cord into the rheostat. The next thing you'll need to do is to fill the reservoir with 2 inches of water. Plug your rheostat and water pump into the power strip. Turn the power switch on and the power strip on. Your bandsaw is now ready to use. The rheostat controls the speed of the saw from slow to fast. You decide the speed that suits your project. The Precision 2000 is perfect for the weekend warrior, hobbyist, crafter, and do-it-yourself type who cut wood, glass, metal, plexiglass, and other materials. Find yours today at your favorite craft and hobby store.